Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the AO305C made by Auto Openers. The AO305C remote control replaces the TM305C remote control made by Gliderol garage doors. The AO305C has 4 buttons, which means it'll program into 4 different garage door openers. It also has a 2-year warranty, which is better than the genuine warranty. The AO305C does not contain a button battery, which means it's fully compliant with all button battery laws that were introduced in June 2022. To see the complete list of garage door openers this remote control can work with, head on over to our website. We list all of the compatible models in our listings. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all about the AO305C, head on over to our website. You can give us a call or send us an email. See you next time.